The greenhouse is just insulated plywood. The door is a heavier 2-ply, but this is just plywood with plastic on the inside, and on the top level it's just plastic, and then I have the corrugated plastic roof. I have electric coming in from the house that wires into 3 separate outlets in here. And then I have timers on pretty much everything that I need. These even have a heat setup timer thing here that runs my fans at different temperatures. If it gets too hot or gets too cold, they shut off, or brings it down to a certain temperature. And then I just have regular LEDs, and I built these 24 inches on this side and just hooked them all up. You can kind of see that. I have a heating pad that I can turn on if it gets too cold or I'm starting them in the cold, my temperature. I have the bottom shelves with all the lights. The top shelves I can use with just regular light, but I do have trees up above, so I don't use the top shelves for more than just storage normally. My tool rack in the back. My tiller that I don't use a whole lot unless I'm breaking up new ground for another garden. And all my plants that are just growing. And once they get big enough, put them out in the yard to start hardening.